The Foldable Rolling Manicure Table Case with LED Mirror, Chic by SkinAct. Effortlessly foldable, it's perfect for those tight on space or constantly on the go. Smooth rolling wheels ensure seamless mobility, allowing you to glide effortlessly across any surface. No more heavy lifting, just effortless movement throughout your workday. The table folds out from the side. First, unlock the side locks, allowing the table to unfold. Remove the separate table piece and set it aside. Fold out the legs, ensuring stability and support for your sessions. Reattach the table to main base securely into shown locks. Illuminate your workspace with the built-in LED mirror, guaranteeing optimal lighting for flawless treatments. But wait, there's more: a portable velcro mirror for added flexibility, ensuring salon quality results wherever you are. With 2 spacious drawers and removable dividers, customization is key. Keep your supplies neat and organized, tailored precisely to your needs. And with dimensions of 29.92 by 14.96 by 11.42 inches and a 1-year warranty, quality and convenience are assured.